Welcome to online classes. Today we will start with Chapter 8 Microsoft Publisher Part 2. In our previous chapter, we have studied what is publisher or what is publishing and how we can create different kind of materials using Microsoft Publisher. We can create different type of designs, we can create advertisements, business cards, greeting cards, award certificates, envelopes, labels, letterheads, calendars, resumes, menus, signs, paper folding projects. In this chapter, we'll study about those in detail. Advertisements. Advertising means how a company encourages people to buy their products, services, or ideas. In other words, advertising is something to enhance your ideas that you should buy a specific product. For example, you have created a company or you have created a product. How you can compel other people to buy it? So you will advertise your product, and with advertisement you will say why this product is okay, why this is more important than other products or better than other products. An advertisement or ad for short is anything that draws good attention towards these things. It is usually designed by an advertisement agency. Ads appear on television, radio, newspapers, magazines, etc. So every marketing company design their own ads. They have employees who sponsor and create ads that can attract people's attention. There is no personal message to promote the product. Sponsors of advertising are often businesses who wish to promote their product or services. Advertising is communicated through various mass media, including old media such as newspapers, magazines, televisions, radio, outdoor advertisement, or direct mail, or new media such as search results, blogs, websites, or text. Advertisement or ad can be non-commercial or commercial. Non-commercial advertisements include political parties, interest groups, religious organizations, and government agencies. Something like this. Imagine this is an advertisement for summer camp. There is a special camp that is going to be organized somewhere else, and they are calling you or calling anybody who is interested. MS Publisher offers templates and other tools to help us create a variety of publications, which include brochures, newsletters, business cards, and menus. We'll talk about brochures first. What is a brochure? Brochure is an informative paper document often used for advertising that can be folded into a template, a pamphlet, or a leaflet. Brochures are products or services to the public. Brochures are distributed inside newspapers, handed out personally, or placed in a brochure rack in high traffic locations. They are also considered as grey literature. Now, this is the kind of paper that you'll see where most of the people visit, like doctors, hotels, or some place where there is a traffic, included railway stations, bus stations. Nowadays, brochures are also available in electronic format and are called e-brochures. They have the added benefit of having unlimited distribution and cost saving when compared to traditional paper brochures. The most common type of single sheet brochures are bifolded, a single sheet printed on both sides and folded into halves, folded into half paper. So it has four sides. And then there is a trifold, folded twice. They have 6 sides. Other browsers fold arrangements are also possible like Z fold, C fold, etc. Larger sheets such as those with detailed maps. If you have a map, big map of something, and you can fold it out in different forms. Photos, 5 or 6 panels. Booklet brochures are made of multiple sheets, most often saddle switches, stapled, crease, edges, etc. Creating brochures in MS Publisher. Like we have done in our previous class, we can either go on to a new or blank page, or we can create them from templates. In this chapter, we'll study how templates are really helpful. We click on to new, then click on to browser templates, and then whichever style we are looking for, just click on it. We can then customize it through color schemes, font schemes, layout, and then design. We will create that design and then we can edit that design as well. This is a 4-fold browser. Newsletters. A newsletter is a printed report containing news or information of the activities of business or an organization that is sent by mail regularly to all its members, customers, employees, or people who are interested in it. So, newsletter is the information that you are interested in, that you want to have it regularly or monthly or a yearly. Some newsletters are printed weekly, some are printed monthly, some are printed yearly. They can be sent out to you through mail or handed out to you at your home, or you can go get them at the desired place. Newsletters generally contain one main topic of interest to its recipients. A newsletter may be considered grey literature. It may be. E-newsletters delivered electronic via email can be viewed as spamming if sent unsolicited. Means if the user have not given you the permission to send the e-newsletter, then it will be spam for them. Alright, so creating newsletter is the same way. Go into the templates, design, edit, and finalize. Banners. A long strip of cloth bearing a slogan, design, carried in a demonstration, procession, or hung in public places. See, with newsletters, banners are must. Newsletters are something that can be handed out in a paper or some information that can be handed out to you. But banners are placed in a public place and in big and loud words. So it can be on a cloth, a slogan, or design that is needed for show. An online banner is either a graphic image that announces the name or identity of a site. The same way we can create banners by using templates. Click on desired template, something like this. Imagine you have just finished your exam, online exam, and then a pop-up comes out. Congratulations, you have finished your exam. This is a banner and information. Catalogs. A catalog is a list of things. A catalog can be a list of anything arranged in some order. And when we list things, we catalog them. For example, you go into the library. There are huge number of books, large collection. How will you know which book is where, or your desired book is lying in which place? So there is a place or list created for you that is called a catalog. You can open that book and check your desired book's name and place designated to it. Or you buy a study book. There are 2 pages which says which page contains which topic or chapter. Same way, creating a catalog design, number of details, which is lying where. Flyers. A flyer is a form of paper advertisement used for wide distribution, posted or distributed in a public place, handed out to individuals or sent through the mail. A flyer is a piece of paper that is included in paper magazines or handed out in public places, which is not part of the original newsletter or newspaper. A flyer can be a small piece of paper color designed for special occasions. It can be photocopied leaflet, or it can be for a live concert, nightclub appearance, promotions such as a special festival, a special offer on special festival, persuading people for social, religious and political messages, campaigns, recruiting members for organizations or companies. To the installed templates, we can design many types of business cards. A business card is a small card printed with one's name, occupation, business address, etc. and is called a business card. It is also called a visiting card. You go into a shop, you go into a big company, you go into a place who have higher number of clienteles. So what they do is they have printed piece of card with them that they can hand out to their customers. That is called a business card. Usually it contains name of the business, contact of business, a logo, a symbol or specialty about them. They are shared during formal introductions at some places. A business card typically includes the giver's name, company or business affiliation, usually with a logo, a big logo, a contact information such as street address, telephone, fax number, email addresses and a website. These days, businesses card may also include social media address such as Facebook or Twitter. Traditionally, many cards were simple black text or white stock. Today, a professional business card can be sometimes include one or more visual designs such as these. Like in our previous class, we have talked about them, we designed about these, which kind of design we want, a simple card or a card with a background. Something like this, a logo, organization name, title, address, phone number, contact, etc. A greeting card, invitation card or a compliment card. You want to greet somebody on a special occasion, or you want to invite somebody or someone on a special occasion, and you want to compliment someone on their special occasion. This is where all different kinds of cards can be designed or sent according to the use. A friendship, a sentiment or an occasion. They can be mass produced as well. A compliment card, award certificates. An award is something given to a person, a group of people or an organization in recognition of their excellence in certain field. For example, you have passed your exam, you have passed a test or you have done something special. Then you will be handed a piece of paper, a medal, a trophy, a title, a certificate, a badge or a pen. It can be anything. Certification refers to the confirmation of certain characteristics of an object, person or organization. When you have completed something, a piece of paper, a certificate is handed to you. That states that you have created something or achieved something. This confirmation is often but not always provided by some form of external review, education, assessment or audit. Certificates of achievement, merit and honor can be powerful tools when used at the right time and presented in the right way. Receiving an award certificate gives a person the warm glow of knowing someone. It means you have achieved something, and that can also lead to motivation for others. That this person has done this, and this is the award for it, and I can do the same. Award certificates may include Community Service Award, Great Job, Good Behavior, or Course Completion. MS Publisher provides many type of templates for things. Something like this. You can design your logo. You can decide what type of certificate is the name of the recipient, and you can also create a new background design as well. Something like this. You can choose from lot of designs. Envelopes. Envelopes is a common packing item, usually made of thin flat material. It is a flat paper container which is a sealable flap designed to enclose a flat object such as letter, a card, or a document. When you're sending your information or letters to somebody, we always hand or send it within an case and an envelope. Traditionally, these envelopes are made from sheet of paper. They are mostly commonly used for enclosing and sending mail or letters through a prepaid postal system. Usually, we in the market we have plain or clean envelopes. But when you have a big company, a big institution, anyone can design their own logos, their own envelopes. Labels. Label is a piece of paper, polymer, cloth, metal, or other materials affixed to a container or a product. It is a small piece of chit that is attached or pasted to a product. For example, you are buying new clothes, and on the one side you oftenly see a small threads or a small piece of information on one side of your clothing. It states where it is made, which country is it made, its safety precautions, etc. In the same way, labels are information printed directly on a container or item can also be considered labeling. Labels have many uses including providing information on a product's origin, manufacturer, that is a brand name, use, its usage, shelf life and disposal. Many hazardous products such as poisons or flammable liquids can have a warning label on it. Labels can be used for products, permanent products such as TV. You open a TV and on the screen a temporary sticker is there. Packaging. Packaging may have label attached to a integral with the package. These may carry pricing, barcodes, UPC or Universal Product Code, a barcode on it. Assets. Asset means a product that you owe, to which person or organization it belongs to. Textiles on garments. Mailing, when you send a mail to somebody, or which type of transit it's there. For example, speed mail labels on your letters when you send them. Security labels, it is used for authentication, theft reduction or protection against counterfeit and commonly used as ID cards, credit cards and packaging. When you receive something from your bank, those labels are attached to envelope and its sealing label. So if anyone tries to open the package before it is delivered to you, you may know for it because they won't be resealed because the label is broken. Creating labels in Publisher. Same way, you can design CD labels, new label, something like this. All the information will be edited in here. You can cut them out and paste it on a CD. Letterheads. Letterhead is a stationery with a printed heading. In bigger companies or bigger businesses, they have their own name printed, their details printed on a piece of paper. when they want to send some information or send a request to somebody, they write them through their letterhead, so other company would know that this company is representative of this company, or they are leading this kind of things. The term letterhead is often used to refer to a whole sheet imprinted with such a heading. Many companies and individuals prefer to create a letterhead template in word processor or other software applications. This generally includes the same information as pre-printed stationery but at lower cost. Letterhead can be printed on a stationary piece of paper needed for sent electronically. So, in Microsoft Publisher, many kind of styles and graphics can also be added. Calendars. We all know how calendars and styles are important to each individual. A calendar is a system of organizing days for social, religious, commercial or administrative processes. This is done by giving names to periods of tables, typically days, weeks, months and years. You can design your own style using Microsoft Publisher. You can design individual month or all year on a piece of paper. You can enjoy your own images on them. Resume. A resume provides a summary of your education, your work history, credentials and other accomplishments and skills. A resume is a basically piece of paper which describes a student who has recently finished its education or his education. His or her education will be detailed on a piece of paper starting with name, something like this here, name, address, objective, what is the objective of that person, qualifications, work history, a small work history before you have much larger experience, education and preferences. When your when your resume is completed and you have lot of work experience and what you have gained from that experience, then you can forget resume and then you can write curriculum vitae. A curriculum vitae is just like resume, but it provides a summary of one's experience and skills that they have generated throughout their work experience or different places of works and skills that they have gathered. Typically, CVs are longer than resumes, at least 2 or 3 pages. CVs include information on one's academic background, including teaching experience, degrees, research, awards, publications, presentations and other achievements. CVs are thus much longer than resumes and include more information. Menus. Menu is something that is available to you in packages or that you can have. In a restaurant, there is a menu for food and beverages. A menu may be a list for which guests use to choose options available. Basically, menu is the main way to give or take order from the guest. Alright? Guests may order properly to see the menu and become aware of the available options. Signs. A sign is a piece of paper, a cloth, wood or any other material which is painted with pictures or words which gives some information about a particular place, product or event. Something like this. For example, you want to print a special sign that this is not available, no parking, no smoking, this is open, this is closed, private property, any kind of sign, a bigger information. Paper folding project. A paper folding templates include patterns of paper, airplanes or origami projects. An origami is a style that shape that is created from a paper by folding it. For example, kids create aeroplanes, boats, a paper boat or a hat. But There are more shapes that we can create. In Microsoft Publisher, there are different styles that can help us to create more paper projects. Something like this. We can create where to fold and which part to fold. Some important points to remember. Advertisement means a company encourages people to buy their products, services or ideas. So in MS Publisher, templates are available, tools are available to create these publications, brochures and etc. The most important part to remember is, though there are templates and other tools, we can always create more templates according to our own design. Our desire to create new styles and our creativity, we can use blank pages, blank sheets, which we can state the page size, the design size, etc. All these brochures and promotional materials are basically for advertisements, demonstrations, catalogs, business cards, and information provided for everything. Common packaging items, etc. This chapter is basically for your creative designs, for your creativity. It is very easy, step-by-step process is explained. Do create your own ideas and enhance your creativity. Thank you.